Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankush, and today we have our interesting question. This is Ask Sonata Software. Okay, the question is, can you please write a SQL query to give me the below kind of output? Okay, we have the teams table and we have the values like CSK, KKR, GT, DC, and LCG. They are interested to write a SQL query to give me this kind of the output. Okay, let me show you the table first. Select everything from my teams. Okay, so in the table we have CSK, KKR, GT, and DC and LZ. So they are interesting to see, create a combination like CSK versus KKR, GT versus KKR, DC versus LG. They are looking for this kind of the combination output. Okay, so let's solve this question. So I'm saying T1. So I'm doing like I'm solving this question using self join. If you know other way, please comment down and below. Definitely, I would like to uh, see your thoughts. Okay, join teams T2 on T1 dot team name T2 dot T2 dot team name. Okay, let me run this query first. So now they are looking for the versus like KKR versus CSK or CSK versus GT. They are looking for this kind of output. Okay. So to create this kind of function, we use concat function. Concat. So I'm saying T1 dot team name. Saying versus T2 dot team name, and I'm saying as matches played. Let me run this. So if you see, this is my final output. If you see, we have generated the output. Initially, they are looking for that. Like CSK versus KK, CSK versus GT. Let me modify this. Order by matches played. Now you can see we got the final output. CSK versus DC, CSK versus GT, CSK versus KKR, CSK versus LCG. So we have matches all the combination using the teams table. Okay. We have nothing right the fancy kind of the query table. We have used concat and the self join. Based on the two condition, you can solve this question very easily. Okay. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this.